is it sorry to let you go? To let you go. So why is it sorry?
Good morning, guys. Yesterday night we arrived in Amsterdam, but it was pretty late, so we took an Uber to the hotel that we're staying at, which is called Hotel Meininger, and it's pretty far away from the city centre, so we're going to kind of explore today and see how, like, just plan the week we have here, because we're here for 6 days, which is quite a long time to compare to Lisbon and Madrid, which we were in for shorter, like 4 or 5 days each. So now we're just going to go out and get breakfast. It's already like 1 o'clock because we slept in a lot. It's just going to be a casual day today. Then tomorrow I guess you'll actually see like proper Amsterdam with me in the vlog.
So why is it sorry to let you go? To let you go. So why is it
We just had breakfast at the Breakfast Club. It was so yummy, and we might even go there tomorrow because it was so good. We'll see. And now we're off to go to a grocery store and then go back to the hotel. It's just too hot today. It's like 35 degrees and this is Amsterdam, and
We can't go to the beach.
we
so
can't go to
we can't
the beach.
tan.
Yeah,
I'm
so-
still being like
and it's just too hot, to be honest. So we're gonna just like chill today. Good morning, guys. Today is Saturday and it's the first day we're going into the city. We're going into the main city in Amsterdam, and we're going on a tour to look around the city, and then I guess after that we'll have lunch and then decide what we're gonna do the rest of the days, because we haven't really looked into the city yet, because yesterday was just a chill day. In the evening we worked out, I went for a jog, and we just like relaxed and did sport.
Yeah.
We were fit.
yeah.
Yeah, and apart from that, that's all we've been doing lately. So I guess the next couple of days will be a little bit more busier, and then we'll relax a little bit before we go back home. But that's what's been happening now. I got my coffee because I'm super tired.
As always.
Yeah. But that's all we've been doing now. So we're going to catch the train now, and then I'll show you guys the city.
let you go? To let you go.
Finished the tour, and we learnt more about Amsterdam and the city, and now we're just going to walk around the city and then maybe get lunch later.
So why is it sorry to let you go?
Good morning. Today is Sunday morning, and we're gonna go and visit an international church now, and then later we'll go into the town, and we're also planning on going on a boat ride today. We've never been to this church before, but I think it'll be interesting to visit it. We've been trying to visit churches whenever we've been traveling on Sundays, just to, you know, not miss out on church for 3 weeks. We went to one in Madrid, which was interesting, and now we'll see what this one is like here in Amsterdam. It's really early morning. I'm really tired. I feel like I'm getting sick. Because we just haven't been having enough sleep lately. We've been going to bed late and then getting up early, so it's not a good combo. So hopefully tomorrow we can sleep in a little bit. Yeah, see you guys later.
Let you go.
I look like I have no eyelashes. Anyways, hi guys, we're back in Amsterdam. I'm going on a boat tour, but before then we're just walking around because we have time. And then we'll go on the night boat tour, and it has like a tour guide in it, and it also has like drinks. So yeah, that's the plan.
So why is it sorry to let you go?
I'm gonna get run over. Oh wait, the cars. Oh, you're filming now? Okay. We're in Amsterdam. We're walking to our boat tour. It's windy and cold, and this is the typical Amsterdam weather, I think. Yeah. And now he's filming. Thanks.
Let you go.
I'm on my way to get a meet up with my friends, and we're having breakfast. The breakfast club, the same place we were at the other day, because we really like it. And I took a little bit longer. It's just a 5-minute walk from where we're staying, so they just went ahead because I didn't want to let them wait for me. So we're gonna have breakfast there, and then afterwards we're a little rushed today because afterwards we're going to the Moco museum, which is like this museum with Banksy's art in it and other stuff. But we have our tickets at 1:30 and it's like 11 now, so we need to hurry up a little bit so that we make it in time. And yeah, I got ready for today. I put a little bit more effort in than usual. That's why it took so long. That's the plan for today. It's our second last full day in Amsterdam, so tomorrow we have another day, but we might not be in the city. We might instead be going on a bike ride, but we're not sure yet. So I'll meet the others now and I'll show you guys what I eat for breakfast. I'm really excited for breakfast. It's my favorite meal of the day. I've done the Moco Museum, which is the Museum of Contemporary Art, and we're about to go in now, and it already looks really beautiful from the outside, so I'm really curious to see what's inside.
Is it so hard to let you go?
So we just left the museum. It was such a nice museum. I highly recommend. I also bought a few things, and yeah, really like this is one of my favorite museums I've been to so far. I love contemporary art, especially like when the things are relatable and like they're significant for today. Like what Banksy's trying to say with his art is like really interesting. So we walked around the museum district and then we went to a few museum shops. I bought a few more souvenirs and artsy things. And now we're just walking on one of the shopping streets in Amsterdam in a more quieter place, which is quite nice. And then now we're just walking around and finding a place to get lunch. And the weather today is really nice because it's like not too hot and not too cold. And as one of our last days in Amsterdam, it's like good weather, not like raining or something like the typical Amsterdam weather. Hi guys, welcome back. I haven't vlogged in a while because we've just kind of been chilling and relaxing and not really, yeah, we tried to do a phone-free day yesterday. Chillaxing, yeah. No, we tried to do a phone-free day yesterday. We did most of the day we did without our phones.
I did.
Oh, she did. She slept the whole day, so that doesn't count.
But still.
And half the day I was without my phone, half the day I was like messaging people, FaceTiming and stuff like that, which doesn't really count. You're asleep, you didn't, oh I shouldn't have told. Anyways, you were sleeping, it doesn't count. And then Raho was watching YouTube, right? Yeah. And so yeah, basically yesterday we went on a bike ride and then like I was really tired so we went back. And then we just relaxed for the rest of the day and packed and stuff, so it was chill. And then today we're at the airport and we're flying back home to Vienna, and then I'm catching the train from Vienna to Linz, and the others are staying there for a night, but I have to be back because we have to pack all my stuff for shipping it all to Australia. So I'm a little rushed, a little stressed, but that's alright. I know, we're waiting to board, but it's taking a while. Auf jeden Fall, anyways, back to English. If you want a vlog in German, comment down below. No, I'm kidding. Anyways, I'll see you guys later. We're boarding now, finally. Goodbye Amsterdam, goodbye end of the girls trip, but it's been a good one.
to let you go.